Hi, my name is Lauren Fields. I lead the domestic litigation team here at Roth Davies, LLC. Today I'm going to be talking to you about spousal support. People often refer to spousal support as alimony, but in the state of Kansas it's called maintenance. Spousal support or maintenance is not something that is any party's right and is not mandatory in any case. The court will look at several factors when determining if spousal support is appropriate. The primary consideration for the court is weighing the higher earning spouse's ability to pay versus the other party's need for spousal support. If there is a large and historical income discrepancy between the two parties, perhaps spousal support will be appropriate. For example, if one party was a stay-at-home parent for a long time and the other party worked and financially supported the family, then spousal support may be appropriate in that case. This is because one spouse has been out of the workforce for a significant amount of time and devoted their life to raising a family or upkeeping a home. The court will also take into consideration the assets and debts that the parties requesting spousal support will receive in the divorce. Spousal support can be paid monthly, or it can be paid in a lump sum if it's not appropriate for a month-to-month payment. For example, if a spouse wants to buy a home and needs a down payment, then perhaps a lump sum spousal support would be more appropriate in that case than monthly payments. A rule of thumb for calculating spousal support in Johnson County, Kansas is 20% of the difference of the party's gross annual income for 1/3 of the length of the marriage if there are minor children in the case. If there are no minor children, then it can go up to 25% of the difference in gross annual income for 1/3 of the length of the marriage of the parties. If one party has no income, then the court has the ability to impute an appropriate income for that party. Likewise, if the court feels that one spouse is purposely lowering his or her income for the purposes of avoiding spousal support, the court has a right to impute an appropriate income for that spouse. If you have any questions about spousal support, please give me a call at 913-451-9500.